Hey future coders, welcome to another video of learning programming and reading with Scratch Junior. In this video, we're going to head to the park where we've got this character called Ben who's going to chase the hen away. To see how this works, we actually have to click on Ben to make the program start. So click on Ben, Ben chases the hen, and then the hen runs away. Let's go ahead and see how we can make this program. Let's click on the Home button here and click on the plus button to create a new project. Let's click on the character here and hit the red X to delete it. And first of all, let's go and create our background. At the top here, we can choose a library, maybe a bedroom or a basketball court. But here, we're going to choose a park. So let's click on the check button. And we've got the park here, where next up, we're going to choose our characters or our sprite. Let's click on the plus button again. And let's scroll down and we'll choose this hen. And you'll notice that the name is called a chicken, but we're going to call it a hen, a female or a girl chicken, because we want to practice the base word of EN. Select OK, drag the hen down, and let's rename it by typing HEN. Hit OK, and let's go ahead and click on the ABC button up above, and let's go EN. This is what we want to learn, the base word, and then we're going to type HEN for hen and hit enter. Take the hen and move it down below. Next, let's add another character. This time we're going to add a person. You can pick your favorite character. I'm going to choose this one here, a child. Hit OK. And I want to change the child's name to, you guessed it, B-E-N, Ben. Let's move Ben down here, and let's click on ABC again, and we'll go B-E-N, Ben. And let's drag the name Ben over here. Now, let's go and learn some programming where we want the hen actually to face the other way. So how do we turn the hen around? Let's go into our blocks. Let's click on the blue button here. It's called the motions block. And I'm going to select the hen like so. And then I'm going to use the move left down here. And let's click on it. And you can see the hen is moved left. Let's now delete this block by dragging it up. And then we'll put the hen there. Let's click on Ben. And let's go and say move one step to the left. There we go. We want Ben to move maybe, let's say 3 steps. Let's test it out. There we go. It's quite close to the hen. Maybe one more. So let's go 4. And let's go and click on the reset button up top to put Ben back to the first place he started. Now I'm going to test my 4 steps moving to the left. There we go. Next, I want to move the hen a little bit closer to Ben. So let's move a little bit closer because we want Ben to actually touch the hen. And I'll tell you why in a second. Let's go back up to the top and click the reset. And let's go to the yellow block here. The yellow block is called a triggering block, and I want to use this one here, start on tap Ben. So what this means is that to make Ben walk, we need to actually click on Ben. Let's click on Ben, and you can see him start walking 4 steps to the left. Now, we want to click on the hen, and to make the hen run away, we want to use this start on bump. So when the hen is bumped, what is the hen going to do? Well, let's go to the motion block, which is the blue color. We want the hen to move to the left. How many steps? Let's try 5 steps. Now let's test this out. Let's hit the reset button at the top, click on Ben, and you can see that the hen has not moved, and that is because the hen is not quite close enough to Ben. So let's move the hen back a bit. So the hand is touching, and you can see now the hen moves away. So let's retest this by resetting the scene. Let's click on Ben, touch the hen, and the hen runs away. Let's make the hen run maybe 8 steps. So the hen's running further. Reset. Let's click on Ben, who's going to chase the hen away. And there you have it. A very simple video learning about Ben chasing a hen using some very neat programming blocks, such as this yellow one here called Start on Bump, and also Start on Tap as well.